Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ActiveCampaign for journeys that convert. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.activecampaign.com and press enter. Once the ActiveCampaign website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will see the ActiveCampaign dashboard. Look for the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Automations tab to explore your existing journeys. To create a new journey, click the Create an Automation button. Select a pre-built automation or choose to start from scratch. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your automation. Add triggers, actions, and conditions as per your campaign needs. Make sure to save your progress frequently. Once your automation is complete, review it for accuracy. Finally, click the Activate button to launch your journey. Your ActiveCampaign login process and journey setup is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.